Have you ever had a brilliant, fantastical image in your mind that you wished you could bring to life? Or an idea for a mind-bending video but no Hollywood budget? What if you could have a private, expert-level conversation with an AI free from prying eyes? For a long time, access to the tools that make this possible powerful AI models was restricted to those with high-end, multi-thousand-dollar graphics cards. But that's all changed. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to unlock all of that creative power for less than your weekly coffee budget. We'll be using a revolutionary platform called Runpod.io to command the world's most advanced AI. You don't need any technical expertise, and you can be up and running in just a few minutes. We will cover everything step by step. AI art generation. We'll deploy Stable Diffusion, the world's most popular text-to-image model, to create stunning, unique art from simple text prompts. AI video creation. We'll explore the cutting edge of AI by generating our own video clips and animations. Private AI chatbots. We'll set up our very own powerful large language model like Meta's Llama 3, giving you a private, unrestricted AI assistant. We'll do it all on a budget, and I'll break down exactly what it costs. So if you're ready to unleash your creativity without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. First things first, what exactly is Runpod.io? Think of it as your personal, on-demand supercomputer in the cloud. At the heart of every AI model is a need for immense computational power, which is provided by high-end GPUs, graphics processing units. Runpod's entire service is built around giving you affordable access to these GPUs. So why choose Runpod over other cloud providers like Amazon's AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure? Unbeatable cost-effectiveness. This is Runpod's killer feature. It is dramatically cheaper than the big tech giants. We're talking pennies per hour for GPUs that would cost you thousands of dollars to buy. You are paying for raw access to the hardware without the heavy overhead and complex billing of other platforms. Simplicity and user-friendliness. Runpod is designed for creators, not just developers. They offer pre-configured templates for almost every popular AI application. This means you don't have to worry about installing software, managing complex code libraries, or dealing with driver issues. With a one-click deploy system, you can launch a fully functional AI environment in minutes. Incredible flexibility. Runpod offers a vast marketplace of GPUs. You can choose from consumer-grade cards like the RTX 3090, a fantastic all-rounder, and the RTX 4090, a speed demon for image generation, all the way up to data center-grade powerhouses like the NVIDIA A100, which is essential for running the largest language models. This means you can pick the perfect tool for your specific job and budget. Create an account. Head over to runpod.io and click the Sign Up button. It's a standard, straightforward process. Add credits. Once you're logged in, you'll see a billing section in the left-hand menu. Runpod is a pay-as-you-go service, so you need to add funds to your account before you can rent a GPU. They accept all major credit cards and other payment methods. I highly recommend starting with a small amount like $10 or $20. This will be more than enough to let you experiment for several hours and get a feel for the platform. Your balance is debited per second of use, and you can stop your machine at any time. Let's start with the most popular and visually rewarding AI model, Stable Diffusion. Find a template. From the Runpod dashboard, go to the Templates section. Here you'll find a library of pre-configured AI environments. In the search bar, type in Runpod Stable Diffusion. This is the most popular and feature-rich web interface for Stable Diffusion, and it's the perfect place to start. Choose a GPU. Now, you need to decide how much horsepower you want. For Stable Diffusion, a great starting point is an RTX 3090 or an RTX 4090. These offer a fantastic balance of performance and cost. You'll see the hourly price clearly listed for each GPU. The RTX 3090 with its 24 GB of VRAM is a workhorse that can handle almost anything you throw at it. Deploy your pod. Once you've selected your template and GPU, hit the Deploy button. Runpod will now build your personal instance, which they call a pod. A pod is your private virtual machine in the cloud. This setup process might take a minute or two. You're in. You'll see a prompt box at the top. Type in a description of anything you can imagine. For example, a photorealistic cinematic shot of an astronaut riding a horse on Mars. Hit the Generate button, and in a few seconds, your first piece of unique AI-generated art will appear. Ready to make things move? The process for AI video is very similar. Find a video template. Go back to the templates section and search for video-related terms. You might find templates for Diffusion, great for creating psychedelic zoom animations, Animate Diff for animating still images, or other text-to-video models like WAN. Choose a GPU and deploy. Video generation is more demanding than image generation. An RTX 4090 will render your frames much faster, saving you time. Select your GPU, deploy the template, and wait for your pod to start. Connect and experiment. Connect to the web interface just as before. From there, you can upload a starting image, type in prompts to guide the animation frame by frame, and start the rendering process. Be patient. Creating video takes more time, but the results can be absolutely mesmerizing. You've used ChatGPT, but what if you could run your own, completely private and unrestricted language model? Find an LLM template. In the templates, search for Llama 3.3. This is a fantastic interface that can load thousands of different open-source language models. Choose a high VRAM GPU. Large language models require a lot of video memory, VRAM, to run. The model is loaded directly onto the GPU. For this, you'll want to select a GPU with plenty of it. An RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM or an A100 with 40 GB or 80 GB is the right tool for the job. While more expensive per hour, they are necessary for running the larger, more capable models. Deploy and chat. Once your pod is running, connect to the web interface. You'll find a simple chat screen. From here, you can often download and load different models directly within the interface, like Llama 3, Mistral, or others. Now you can have a conversation with your own private AI. It's an incredible way to explore the raw power of these models without any content filters or restrictions. Runpod has two pricing models you need to know about. On demand. This is the standard pay-as-you-go price. You are guaranteed to get the GPU you want, whenever you want it, for a fixed hourly rate. This is best for work that is time-sensitive or when you can't afford interruptions. Spot instances, the super budget option. This is where you can get massive discounts, often 50–70% off the on-demand price. Spot instances are GPUs that are currently idle. You can bid on them at a much lower price. The catch? If someone else is willing to pay the full on-demand price for that GPU, your instance can be interrupted and shut down. You'll get a 1-minute warning. Spot instances are perfect for experimenting, learning, or running tasks that can be easily paused and resumed. Always save your work frequently when using a spot pod. When you realize that buying an HX100 GPU costs over $10,000, paying less than $4 an hour to use one is an absolute game changer. So there you have it. In just a few minutes, you can gain access to some of the most powerful and exciting AI models on the planet, all thanks to Runpod.io. We've walked through setting up stable diffusion for AI art, experimenting with AI video, and even running your own private large language model. The world of artificial intelligence is moving at an incredible pace, but with platforms like Runpod, it's more accessible, affordable, and democratic than ever before. So what are you waiting for? Go sign up, grab a few dollars worth of credits, and start creating. I'd love to see what you make.